such a lovely performance.
मेरे को ये बोला था कि ये कैमरा
Lovely welcome.
सिर्फ हमारा लाइव है ना जो अच्छा मेन हमारा लाइव है ना ओके ओके
हाँ भैया चालू है यहाँ तो आवाज नहीं आ रही
बैठ जो सेंटर में चेयर में
Dear parents, as you all have joined our Andrews family this year only, I want you to introduce you to our school management. The head of our school, Mrs. Madhu Arora. Manager, Mr. Dishant Arora and Saloni Arora on the stage. The in charge of the school, Mrs. Anju Arora, will present the bouquet and the paintings which the students have prepared for our management as the token of love and appreciation. Made by our talented Scotians. This is a surprise for you, ma'am and sir, planned by the Andrews team. Thank you for giving all the support, always inspiring us and guiding us, motivating us. Thank you so much. Now, I would like to invite the head of our school, Madhu Arora ma'am, to say a few words.
First of all, good morning everyone and welcome to all for this tour and welcome all to join this orientation program. And I'm very glad that all of you have chosen this school, and I'm also very thankful to my Andrews team for the welcome and Andrews Scotians who have made this bouquet and painting especially for me and Manager and Saloni ma'am by their own hand, and I am so surprised. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would like to invite Manager Mr. Dishant Arora to come and say a few words. Mrs. Saloni Arora also.
On behalf of complete Science Central family, I welcome you all to the part of our family. So dear parents, as we are starting a new year, 2024 and 25, so on behalf of entire school, I once again welcome you all. So as we begin this new academic session, I want to remind everyone the importance of education. So education is not only about acquiring knowledge and skills, but it also prepares us for various life lessons. So with this good academic session, to achieve success, we also place a strong emphasis on building character of your child. Our school values of respect, responsibility and excellence serve as a guide for how we interact with each other and approach our life. So I am very excited to welcome you to the new academic session and look forward to working with you all to achieve full potential. Remember, education is not a journey. Education is a journey, not a destination. So we keep on learning even we are old. So I just want cooperation with all the parents for this new session. Welcome again. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your valuable insights. I have already mentioned the achievements, awards and recognition got by the students and the school management. I would also like to mention the facilities offered by the school, as you all are new in our Andrews family. The school offers quality education. The classrooms are with smart board. Purified water is available for the safety and conducive for providing the conducive environment. We have CCTV monitoring. Cameras are installed in all the classrooms. Playground is there. Special instructors are there to provide guidance to the students. As far as the technology is concerned, robotics and 3D printing are incorporated in the curriculum. Self-defense, special educators and trainers are there for taekwondo and judo, karate. That is why the students have got so many medals in these fields. It means co-curricular activities. We believe in hands-on learning. So we have planned this orientation program based on this theme only, that is Montessori technique of teaching and learning. We have showcased the 35 years journey by making these boards, the achievements, facilities, infrastructure, nursery, whatever facilities are provided. You can have a school tour, mini school tour, glimpses of our school achievements, facilities, infrastructure, celebration, everything is there. Our students and the faculty have worked really hard to show you the glimpses of all these things. So please, spare some time after the program and have a look at this. There is a selfie corner also, because you all are new. So please take the selfie at the end of the program. The selfie corner is there. right behind you, in front of me, but at the back of you. Some more facilities I want to mention. Transportation is the concern of the parents. Your ward security is of utmost concern to us. Right from the time they leave the house until the time they reach back safely. With this in mind, we have our own transportation facility. We provide eco-friendly vehicles which are timely serviced and are driven by responsible and trustworthy drivers for 100% safety of every Scottish. The vehicles are timely serviced and the drivers are background checked. Community outreach, as the sir had also mentioned, is the thing of prime importance. So we conduct workshops and we conduct programs also, like SUP, single-use plastic. We conduct workshops so the students can discard the use of single-use plastic, thinking that they are harmful for them. Workshop on good touch, bad touch for the junior wing is also conducted time to time. And the Colours Day, because I told you that the activities are the thing of prime importance in our school. So for age appropriate activities are conducted in the classrooms and in the ground also. For fun and adventure, trips and excursion are also a part. Science lab, very equipped science lab is there. Your children will be future ready because they will learn computers in advanced computer labs. We have actually added a new feature, mini play area in nursery wing. Medical room is there, a nurse remains there during the school hours in case there is any medical emergency. Resource room, very important. I would like to mention resource room facility is also provided by the school to help the children with special needs. That is CWSN. A special teacher is there in the school to help those children. Assessment of speaking and listening, that is ASL lab, is also there. We conduct MUN every year, in which the students play the delegates of different countries they presented and they learn about the international affairs which are taking place around the world. Facilities are many, but I am going to cut it short. And for your convenience, I would like to mention that the school uniform for nursery and prep includes orange t-shirt with blue shorts and black shoes. Timing will be 8:30 to 12 in the afternoon. Okay, and for first class onwards, the uniform will be blue shirt and blue skirt for girls, blue shirt and blue shorts with black shoes for boys. And timing will be 8 AM to 1:30. Okay? And PTM is conducted time to time. It is mandatory to attend the PTM. If you want to discuss something with class teacher, you can visit the school on Saturday instead. Okay? Now, teachers of nursery to 5th class, please come on the stage. Meet our class teachers of nursery to 5th. Nursery and prep class, Mrs. Mona Luthra, Mrs. Suman and Sonia. Class first, Mrs. Kamini, Miss Tripti, Miss Arvinder. second, Miss Lalita, Miss Nandini, and Miss Palak. Class third, Miss Shanu, Miss Amandeep, and Miss Ayushi. Now it's turn of class fourth. Teachers, please come on the stage. Class fourth, Miss Rupal, Miss Drishti, Miss Padma. Class fifth, Miss Monica, Miss Anamika, and Miss Srishti. If you want to ask anything to the teacher, you can ask after the program. Let's see one more performance by our tiny dots. Full of energy, full of enthusiasm.
Good morning.
ओपन कैसे और फिर गिरा तो ये लो जल्दी लो बोलने बोले आपके साथ आपके दो फ्रेंड हैं दोस्त के साथ दोनों के साथ
Please clap for our tiny tots for this cute performance. With this cute performance by our tiny Winnies, we are going to end our orientation program. I hope that we'll build a strong relationship in future also. We are going to place the selfie stand on the stage. Please click a pic before going to home. And our school tour is also waiting for you.
शूज पहना दो उनके पैर को खूब ना जाए कई बार नेल की होती है कारपेट में पहना दो और पेन वगैरह गिरे होते हैं प्राइवेट को पहना है पब्लिक नहीं
हेलो, मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि ये तो बोल रहे हैं कि पूरा फ़ोन से ही लाइव शो कर पूरा लाइव करना है, मतलब कैमरे में तो खैर कुछ करना ही नहीं है। हाँ, तो फिर मैं पूरा लाइव ही कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है। मतलब मैं ना बीच में कैमरा उठा रहा था, मैंने बोला तुम बार बार लाइव क्यों बंद कर दो, लाइव चलने दो इसमें। मैंने बोला फिर बोल रहे कि तुम इसी में करो पूरा, ऐसे करके एक बार मैं फिर दोबारा कंफर्म कर लेता कि मैम पूरा इसी में करना है ना, जो भी पेरेंट्स वगैरह आ रहे हैं, ऐसे करके ना। हाँ ठीक है, मैं एक बार बात करता हूँ। इसलिए बात की थी क्योंकि मैं कैमरा सेट कर रहा था, वो लेंस वगैरह लगा रहा था, 50 mm पकड़ पा रहा भाई। हाँ वो ठीक है ओके। मैम पूरा लाइव ही कवरेज करना है ना इसमें, क्योंकि वो बोल रही थी कि कैमरे में भी शॉट लेना है। ओके, आप पहले बताओ।
Now I would like to invite for first selfie Honorable Ma'am, Mrs. Madhu Arora, Manager, Mr. Dishant Arora, in charge, Ma'am.
वहाँ टॉफी है लेके आओ।
Parents, please come and click your picture. Parents, please come one by one. Don't feel shy.
सांसों में बातों में रोशनी जो ही बदले की ताल है यूं ही आयत ख्याल है बातें हमें जिंदगी एक बार क्यों न करे कोई जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार की जिंदगी यही है और यही जो भी
Parents, you can take your children in your lap. Family photograph. सूरज की बाहों में अब ये जिंदगी कितने सांसों में बातों में रोशनी सूरज की बाहों में अब ये जिंदगी कितने सांसों में बातों में रोशनी बातें हमें जिंदगी एक बार क्यों न करे कोई हमें इसका प्यार जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार की जिंदगी यही है और यही सूरज की बाहों में अब ये जिंदगी कितने सांसों में Parents, I hope you all are enjoying clicking your pictures.
लाइव बन रही है इसकी। ये बेटा मत करो, छोड़ो।
Parents of nursery and prep class students, please wait. Please stay for some more time. We have planned something for our Tiny Winnie. Please wait, nursery and prep class students, parents, please wait. Don't go home.
आशा
यहाँ से आना एकदम, यहाँ से ताकि ये भी आ जाए। पहले मैम को आना। हाँ मैम आगे वीडियो आ गया आपके पीछे हम सब आएंगे। हाँ एक मिनट से लोडिंग आ गया। देखो
मैं तो बादलों से दूर जाऊंगी, मैं तो अपना ही सुन पाऊंगी, है जो crazy crazy सपने मेरे सारे झपके में बुने आऊंगी, हमारा सपने की कोई दुनिया बताऊंगी कि जिंदगी मेरी
Parents are requested to be seated as we are going to start our freshers party. Teachers, please be seated.
बैग उठा लो, बैग उठा लो।
Welcome to our kids' fresher party. We are thrilled to have you all here today and see your smiling faces. Today is all about fun and making memories. So get ready for an action-packed day ahead.
भाई मेरे हाथ में ना एक कैमरा
Explore,
और
play,
एक लाइव
and
और
make
दूसरा
new friends.
कंधे पे
Let your imagination soar high. With activities and surprises, let's embark on journey together. Let the fun begin.
हाँ
To make this
भाई वो
event
ढूंढना
even
पड़ेगा
more
यार।
special, we have organized a ramp walk for all the mothers present here.
अभी जरा कर रहा हूँ,
I
5 मिनट रुको, बात कर
request
रहा हूँ।
each
और
one of you
इसका
to
फोकस नहीं
take
बैठ रहा
part
भाई,
in this
और
activity
तो किसी
and
फोकस सेट
showcase
नहीं हो
your
रहा वाइड में।
confidence and grace. This is your
अरे
moment
स्टिल
to
तो कर रहा हूँ
shine
लेकिन
and
वाइड
be
फोकस
proud
नहीं हो
of
रहा, मैं ये
yourself.
बोल रहा हूँ
First, we will cut
भाई।
precious cake.
भाई 50 की
All the parents,
हाँ।
show some excitement.
अब मैंने 50 हटा दिया, मैंने वाइड लगा लिया। ठीक है कॉल कट पहले।
सोचा कहाँ था ये जो हो गया, माना कहाँ था ये लो हो गया। चुटकी कोई काटो ना है हर तो होश में, कदमों को थामो ये है उड़ते जोश में। बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भर चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है। बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भर चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है।
In the beginning of the freshers party, cake cutting ceremony will take place as the tiny tots are very fond of cake. So I would request the parents of class nursery along with their child, please come on the stage for the ceremony. I would also like to request the head of our school to come on the stage and begin the freshers party by cutting the cake.
नहीं नहीं चलिए। एक्सक्यूज मी
मैम कट करेंगी मैम।
एक्सक्यूज मी
अब नेक्स्ट आ जाइए, बाकी आ जाइए सर। मैम आप लोग काम है, आप लोग थोड़ा सा काम है, काम नेक्स्ट काम है।
class prep and class first. Please come on the stage. Along with their child.
अच्छा आओ मेरे पास आओ अभी देंगे
Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart, congratulations and celebrations. When I tell everyone that you're in love with me, congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. I was afraid that maybe you thought you were above me, but I was fooling myself to think you loved me. But then turned out you said you couldn't live without me. But not about me. You wanted to stay. Congratulations and celebrations. When I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be.
Parents, please be seated. Parents are requested to go back and be seated.
Market ups and downs.
Congratulations and celebrations. When I tell everyone that you're not with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days.